Hey guys, it's Risa. How you doing? I'm not in my kitchen. I'm all bundled up here. But it's a gorgeous sunny day. And I'm out for my walk. And when I walk, I like to talk and try to help you guys. And I wanted to talk to you about how walking helped save my life, give me my life back, and help me lose 130 pounds. I know, it's crazy. That's a lot of weight. Before I tell you my tips and strategies, I just wanted to remind you that I hope you've subscribed, that you like, comment, ask me questions. I love getting your questions. And sharing is caring, so don't forget to share my YouTube videos with anybody. Everybody should be on a health journey, right? You know I'm right. So I'm going to tell you a few stories, and then I'm going to get into how walking has helped me and all the benefits of walking. I may change the phone around because I'm holding it up while I'm walking, and that's not an easy task. So many years ago, about 10 or so, maybe more, actually, I had been working in a group home with teenage girls, and that was very stressful. A very stressful job working with adolescents that were pregnant, that had a lot of emotional, social issues. And, and I was eating at crazy hours. So, doing shift work, you might eat early and then you're hungry again, so you eat late at night. And that's what would happen. I would go home at midnight and start eating. And I put on an enormous amount of weight. Plus, I had just started dating my husband. And when you're younger, you're eating, you're happier. And, it took me a long time to finally say, this is it. And I'll get to that as well. Why? My why. And one day, my sister, Karen, who I love dearly, she was on her journey, her own journey. And she kept telling me, Risa, just go for a walk. Get outside, get some fresh air, get some vitamin D. You'll see how much it's going to help you. But I was just stuck. I wasn't in the right mindset. I didn't feel like I could do it. I could see her and she was a power walker. And I finally said, okay. And she took me by the hand, and I remember, and I'll never forget, because, it took a lot, being over 130 pounds, to move, never mind just go for a walk. And she took me by my hand, and I couldn't even walk from one block. She held me, she pushed me, and made me walk. And that was the start. And she said, you see, you started. There has to be a beginning. There has to be a start to all of this. Rome wasn't built in a day. Power walking wasn't done in a day. Walking miles and miles. At first, I did 1 block. Then I did 2 blocks. And you see where I'm getting at. You have to set small, realistic goals. And from that time on, I decided to start eating well, eating clean, getting myself in shape. I'd gone to my sister-in-law's cottage, and I've mentioned this on other podcasts. And I was playing with my daughter, my niece, and my husband, and my brother-in-law and sister-in-law, and we were throwing snowballs, and we were on a hill. And I don't know what I did to myself. And I went to my doctor. My knees were in excruciating pain. Like, I'm telling you, boy, is it bright. Really bad pain. And I remember him saying that with every 10 pounds you lose, it's like 30 pounds off your knees. I went, oh my God. And then a girlfriend of mine, Melanie, was going to WW, which was Weight Watchers. Now it's Wellness That Works. They've changed their name, WW. But I had lost some weight on my own. And then I lost more with Weight Watchers. And I've continued to stay with WW and all their different plans until, well, I'm still on it. And I'll tell you guys that even when you reach goal, it's never the end. It's never the end, because you still need to continue challenging yourself and learning and experiencing and trying different things. But walking has helped me mentally, physically, socially, spiritually, emotionally. When you're tired, go for a walk. After like 10 minutes, you won't believe the amount of energy that you'll get from walking. Again, if you're not a walker, don't worry about it. You can go slow. You can build yourself up and then go fast. You can do it maybe once every couple of days, just go for maybe a 10-minute walk and then do a 15-minute walk. Start with twice a week, then 3 times a week, then 4 times a week. That's how you have to do it, so that you build yourself up and you're successful. Being successful will make you happy. And honestly, when I'm outside and getting fresh air and seeing the sunshine and looking at the flowers and seeing people going by and saying hi, it makes you happy. So, your happy endorphins come out. You just feel good. So if you're feeling stressed, everybody's life is busy. Everybody's life is stressful. And morning. And, stress plays a huge part on gaining weight as well. So, if I go for a walk, and even when it's cold, my friends, there's no excuse. You can bundle up like I have. Unless it's really icy or rainy, then you can go to a mall. I know, right? And if you're at work, like I do, I get up earlier, or at home. You don't have to do it at work like I do. But if you can walk in your hallway. You can put on YouTube videos. That's what I do. I even keep a hula hoop and exercise ball at work as well. And I have my treadmill at home, and I have my air climber, which is another way to get in steps and exercise. So there's different ways that you can find if you can't get outside for your power walks and or your leisure walks. You can go by yourself. You can go with a friend. When you're by yourself, you can put on music, nice music. You see, I have my cordless headphones. Or sometimes I just call a friend or family member. Isn't it funny how we always say friend first, then family? Anyways, I'm winking. But honestly, you want to have somebody to talk to, a distraction, a good distraction, and sometimes no distraction by just having music or just the calm, listening to the birds. I hear the birds. And, you have to do what's good for you. So if you want to listen to fast music, soft music, calming music. That helps. It'll put you in a better mind frame. It'll help you to calm yourself, calm your brain, calm your thoughts, make better decisions, especially if you're angry, you're frustrated, you're tired, you're worried. It really helps. When my mother and sister were in the hospital, what did I do? I went for a walk. I even walked in the hallways at the hospital. There's always a way when you're at a mall or you're going grocery shopping. Park far away. Get in a few extra steps. There's always ways to get in steps. Before work, after work, it doesn't matter as long as you're moving. Eat your lunch early and go for a walk. Right? Before dinner, go for a walk. Before you get in your house, go for a walk. Because once you get in your house, you'll make all kinds of excuses. If you have kids or grandchildren, it's such a great social thing to do. Spending time with people that you love while you're walking, having conversations again, putting social media down, putting your phone down, getting off of Facebook and YouTube for a while. Did I say that? But truly, quality time will make you feel good. So, being restricted me in a lot of ways as well. I didn't want to go out. I didn't want to go shopping. I didn't feel good about myself. I had low self-esteem. I had low confidence. I didn't really want to participate in family gatherings because I felt ashamed and embarrassed of how I felt and looked. So it really helped me because it helps tone your entire body. That's what's great about it. It doesn't put a lot of stress on your body. And those of you that do have health issues, you can consult your doctor and find out if there's other things that you can do. I'm just saying that walking has been my lifesaver. It's just helped me in just so many ways. Before I go to work in the morning and I'm outside, I work with special ed children and they're very needy. It's not like a regular classroom. These kids need support all the time. You have to be mentally and physically on. I'm on my feet all day. I'm chasing them. They don't listen really well. Not that all kids don't need your attention, but most of my kids aren't talking right now, so they're nonverbal at the moment, but they will talk eventually. But they need a lot of support. I'm just looking so I don't get run over because I'm outside walking. So, getting into shape, feeling, stronger mentally, physically, has helped me with work. It's helped me in my relationships. It's helped me to go to parties again, to go out shopping, my non-scale victories, right? And I'm still setting goals. I'm always setting goals. And you never stop setting goals for yourself. So remember these strategies around getting out, walking inside, walking outside, putting on videos, YouTube videos. I love Leslie Stanson and Up to the Beat and Project it's called. Anyways, I'm drawing a blank. Theory project or project. Anyways, you can look up lots of videos, even just dancing in your house, moving around. If you live in a building, you can walk down the hallways. If you work in an office, you can walk down the hallways. If you work in a school, you can go in the gym and the hallways. And there's always outside, and there's always malls. Okay, so I hope these tips were helpful so that you can get healthier, right? That was my biggest why ever. Getting healthy, because health is wealth. Helping yourself. Only you can do this. And I posted, depending on when you're watching this, it was a visual of a girl losing weight saying, yes, you can. And yes, you can. You can do this. Okay, so believe in yourself. Just start. Like my sister helped me to start. If there's somebody who can help motivate you, you have to help motivate yourself first. It's got to be in your mindset to do this. But having support is really key. Having people to cheer you on is really key. A push can never hurt. I'll push. If you need me, you know you can private message me. I'll be there for you guys. Love you. Take care. I hope this was helpful. Walking has just helped me live my life again, and I want you to be able to live your life and have the best life ever. Take care from Toronto, Canada. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye for now. Don't forget to share.